Welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, it's a follow-up to a video that I put out a week or two ago where I discussed some of my favorite ways to get traffic for affiliate marketing, and Pinterest was one of them. And I had many of you follow up with comments saying, hey, can you do a Pinterest tutorial? So that's what this is. I've been doing some testing actually, and I have some good news and answers for you. So I want to really get this information out to you. So if you do get value from this video, I'm putting out this free content, going out and doing research for you to make you become a better affiliate marketer. So if you like that content, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. There's many people that watch my videos that are not subscribed. I really appreciate it. So you can get these really good, transparent, honest tutorials about affiliate marketing and making money online in general. And then also hit that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions or just any feedback. So this one is Pinterest Affiliate Marketing for Beginners tutorial. Now, one answer or one question that I'd like to answer, which is very interesting in my research with coming up with this video, is can you post affiliate links on Pinterest? And I'm going to go over that, and you're going to be surprised at some of the outcomes, okay? I will just tell you right now, yes, you can post affiliate links, but there is definitely a caveat to that, and we're going to get into that in just a second. So there are two methods. There's direct linking. Direct linking would be that you're actually putting a link directly to a product sales page. And one of the caveats is that doesn't really work anymore, even though you're allowed to post them. Pinterest catches, popular stuff like Amazon and ClickBank and all those, and even Bitly, and it just blocks all those links. So even though you're allowed, you're really not going to get any traction. They're just going to block all your content. And so the best way and the safe way is to have an actual blog or niche blog. And you can have free blogs and free websites. So there's no excuse today to not have a website or blog or landing page to send your traffic to. And that's what I'm going to spend the most time on. So let's jump in real quick. So right away, just to answer that question and to show you proof that yes, you can post affiliate links on Pinterest. It says it multiple times on Google. Yes, you're allowed to post affiliate links. Yes, you're allowed to post affiliate links. Now, I didn't do any testing recently with Amazon. They may or may not block Amazon. If you know the answer to that, then go ahead and post in the comments below that if they block Amazon or not. But I can tell you right now, with doing my research, that they do block ClickBank. They do block redirects to Bitly, and they do block anytime I tried to redirect to my website, and they also blocked that as well. So if you're sending traffic and the end landing page to that traffic is going to be like a ClickBank product or something like that, or Bitly, they're going to block that. I'm not going to show that example. You can go out and find out for yourself, but that is the case. So we want to move on to method 2 then, which would be the ability to build your own landing page, build your own site, and then and just focus on high quality content and then send traffic to that. And then you really, at the end of the day, you want to have a funnel where you're sending traffic from social media to your website. And then once people are on your website, they can enjoy the content. If you have high quality content, they're going to stay longer. And they're going to see some of your ads and affiliate links while there. And then the rest, they will click on and you will make a certain amount of sales. That's what we're going to focus on. So what we're going to do is, here is Pinterest, and I'm just going to come over and show you. This is one of my Pinterest accounts, and it's inspiredmotivation.com is my blog. You can go check that out. And we have 439 followers and 14,000 monthly views. And I'm not sure if this was the account or I have another account where at one point I had 1.5 million monthly views going to one of my pages. So Pinterest can definitely bring in traffic like crazy. This one I'm going to use as the example today because it is niche focused. And you can see this was a positive news website and also a positive affirmations and quotes, motivation quotes. So you can see all these, and every one of them gets seen. Look at all the traffic, all the eyes on that. And so let's go over here and actually start with the method. So we're going to go over, and we are going to still use ClickBank. Now, if you don't know how to use ClickBank, you just go and sign up an account. There's thousands of videos on YouTube showing you how to sign up an account on ClickBank. I'm not going to do that in this. I'm going to go into this self-help niche. Self-help or spirituality would work well on this niche blog. We're going to go with self-help. I like to sort by gravity. I already did all that, and we arrived at 369 manifestation code. And you want to go and check out the sales page. Make sure it's a high quality product and vet your product, right? And then also you can open up the JV page, and get all the information and swipes and all that kind of good stuff. So I liked this right over here, and I've already made it into a pin. I actually went over to Canva and resized to specific dimensions, and you can see that I made this one in here. I used that image, and then I just used some of the pinks from here and matched that. So we created all that. I'm not going to do full tutorial on all that because the video will end up being about an hour long. So we're going to leave that the way it is. And then I used a tool called PepperType, which is an artificial intelligence writer, much like Jarvis and Conversion AI rather. And this tool is really, really great. I've been using it a lot lately. I'll leave a link below to that as well if you want to check out PepperType. But you're able to get a lot of social media posts all at once. I just typed in some information about the manifestation code, and it gave me 15 posts that I can use for Pinterest or any other site. And so I copied that over. So I hope you're following me at this point. And what we did was we went back over to, you go back over here and you go to promote. And since we are going to not be doing direct linking, what we're actually going to do is come back over here, push the promote button, and then right here, I would actually just put that this is going to go to my website and do generate hop link and copy that. And then I will just come over here into my notepad and put that in up over here. And we have the string right here, site, so we know where the sales are coming from, right? And right here, you could also put that in right there as well. Okay, so we don't want to put the hop link to ClickBank because I've already done that testing and they won't allow it. Pinterest will block it. So the way around this is we want a blog, and here's my blog. So I'm going to go into the back end, and we're going to put a banner up over here on the right-hand column. You could also put this in links as well and do hyperlinks to different products as well. You could use Link Whisper or all kinds of other different ones to put in keywords, like motivation, and then all across this blog, anytime motivation, the word motivation is used, it would actually send you to that affiliate link, which is really, really cool. I'm not going to show how to do that in this. We are just going to go ahead and put up a banner over here. So what I'm going to do is we have our banner down here, and we're going to just come up over here to dashboard. And I'm going to show you how you could drive traffic with the banner. So we're going to go to appearance, and we're going to go to widgets, and in the sidebar of the site, so anywhere that a visitor would be on the site, they could actually see our banner. So we're on the right hand side, banners over here, and I'm going to go ahead and click right click. And what we will do is we'll scroll down here to widgets and actually find an advertisement. So right here, we're going to go with the 300 by 250. I think that's the closest. So we're going to click on that. All right, so we use the image widget over here. So we have the image right here, and then you can just click on it. And then actually you can put a link in right here. And this is where we're going to grab our hyperlink that we just created from our hop link from ClickBank. So I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to throw that in here because when people actually click on this image on the site, we want to take them over to that offer. So then I'm going to go up here and push update, and we're going to go and check out. Now, the dimensions of this were large, so I'm not sure how this is going to look on the website, but we're going to go and check it out real quick. So we're back on the website. It should be under the community tab over here, and oh, it looks great. So this is how you would want to do it, right? So we're on any page on the website. If I click on a blog post right over here, this still should end up being down over here on the right sidebar. Okay, so we just put up an ad. You can also put ads up here on the header, and like I said, so forth inside the blog. Now, when people arrive at the site from Pinterest, we'll go and do a pin on Pinterest now, and they arrive at our site and they read our blog and they look at this. Oh, that looks really cool. What is that? They click on it. It's going to take them right over to the manifestation 369 code. Okay, so that's how you set it up. Now let's go back and let's do a pin to this now. So what you would want to do is we would just want to send people, we want to focus on sending traffic. You can do a couple different things. If you have a specific product in mind, then you create a specific page on your website and you can send traffic directly to that page. In this example, we just want to focus on driving traffic to our website because we have affiliate links on our website, right? So what we're going to do is we're just going to go back over to Pinterest real quick, and we're going to go to create a pin. So I'm going to create pin, and we're going to say manifest money or something like that, right? It could be anything that you want to manifest. We're going to go back over here. We already have our text that we got from PepperType over here. The second you start visualizing money, the universe will start delivering it to you, which I actually like that because that's why we're going to go with the manifest money as the title. We can grab this right over here, and we have a couple hashtags we put in there: manifestation, self-help, and manifest money. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all that, come back over to Pinterest. We're going to put this in our description. Now you can make your description a lot more robust and fill it out even more if you want. Just for today's example, we're going to go with that. So then what you can do is also when we go back over to Canva, remember I made a nice Pinterest optimized post. We downloaded that. It's over here. So you're going to come over here. So just keep in mind that if you're going to do this the right way, it actually does take some work and it does take time, but you will get results and get traffic to your website if you do this daily. So we have a nice pin. It's very attractive and interesting. And then right here is where you are going to want to put your site, right? So I'm going to come back over here, and we're just going to click at the top at the home page of our site. I want to copy the home page of our website, go back to Pinterest, and that's where you can put your destination link in. Now watch, when I go and publish this, and we're going to publish this in self-development, that's fine, and we're going to push publish. So now you have your website that you own, and you're going to have to do some testing because Pinterest does block a lot of sites, and maybe they even block some free stuff. So I recommend getting a actual real domain. If you're going to take this business serious, get a real domain, get a real blog, put good content on it. And that's how you're going to actually be able to utilize Pinterest in the long run. And you can say, see it now. And this is our post, right? This is our post that we just published. And look, right here, you will get a warning. If we click on this, it takes us directly to the website. This is how you drive traffic to your site. Now, if we do one, I want to show you for the purpose of this, if we create a new post right over here, and I go create pin, and I'm just going to say test, right? And then let's just say we put in, and here's just a couple errors I want to point out. If you put in the wrong size, it's going to give you a warning down here. So you want to put in the right size, okay? And then second of all, if we were to put in a bit.ly link or a ClickBank link, it will not work. Trust me, I'm only going to do the ClickBank one right now, but if you put bit.ly in there and try to redirect, it also won't work because it's where the redirection is going to is what Pinterest is going to put in there as a warning, right? So we put that in there like that. You put in your description, and if you just go in here, I'm going to publish this right over here, publish. Now watch what ends up happening. The pin is live, but look at right here. Sorry, we blocked this link because it may lead to spam. So you can't use ClickBank. So that's why, you want to do some testing, and I'm sure there's a lot of videos out there teaching to go out and just go and spam ClickBank links and all that. And guess what? Pinterest is onto that, and they won't allow that. So I hope that you got value from this tutorial. Set up a niche blog and drive traffic to your site, and then put affiliate links and put banners on your site, and you will make sales because you can measure the traffic that's coming from Pinterest, and Pinterest can end up being your top traffic if you do it right. Now, set time aside. If you have an hour a day to go in and create 10 really high quality pins leading back to your site, use Canva. Canva's free, or other graphic design tools, and just create high quality pins. You're going to start driving traffic. So I hope you got value from this. If you did, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the next video. Until next time, take care.